Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been quite a while, but I come bearing very exciting news. Okay, I just want everyone to know, because I'm not sure whether I've ever made it very clear over in this channel. Whenever I first bought my DYSON AIRWRAP, I thought, oh my goodness, this is the biggest load of because whenever I used the curling barrels, my hair fell out within like a few hours. Whenever I use the smoothing brushes, and the way that Dyson shows you how to use the smoothing brushes, if you follow that, I guarantee you, your hair will be anything but frizz-free and poker straight. And then don't even get me started on the round brush. Like what is the point in this? This doesn't do anything to my hair. And I'm pretty sure that whenever I'm saying this, there's gonna be a lot of you sitting here being like, yeah, that's me, that's me, that's me, that's me. But guys, I'm stubborn. I was like, I need to learn how to use this. So I took to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Dyson website. Biggest thing was that I just kept experimenting, and then finally I got the knack of every single attachment. I worked out the correct technique to get my hair the way I wanted it with all the attachments. And so here I am today, and this is where the exciting DYSON AIRWRAP news comes in. Because guys, I have finally released my DYSON AIRWRAP course. It is live, it is ready to go, and I'm so excited to get lots of you enrolled to learn how to put this bad boy to good use. So guys, this is an A to Z course to teach you how to use your DYSON AIRWRAP to its fullest potential. If you were like me, and you feel like if you wasted your money, certain attachments that you never go near because you feel like they don't work for your hair, you don't know the correct techniques, you don't know what products to use, you don't know any amazing little hair hacks that's gonna help you style your hair really quickly, you don't know how to get rid of frizz, struggle with volume. If you're any of those things, then this course is for you. It is available worldwide. It is a one-time payment, so once you're enrolled for life. And the great thing is, guys, you don't have to deal with all this jibber jabber that you get over in this channel. Information is bite-sized and concise. It tells you exactly what you need to know. But also, that's not all, because I know that a lot of you guys have a lot of questions. You want to be able to chat to me a little bit one-on-one, and I know that lots of you write comments, and to be honest guys, with the amount of YouTube videos that I have on YouTube, it's really hard to get back to all your comments. So what I've done is I've also set up a DYSON AIRWRAP community. So once you enroll into the course, you're automatically enrolled into the community where all the students enrolled in the course is part of, and that is a place for us all to share advice of each other, ask each other questions. It's also a place for you to ask me questions that will get answered. Also within the community, I'm going to do some live demos, Q&As, exclusive giveaways. There is just going to be lots happening, and it's just going to be great to have a space for us all to just share our expertise and knowledge. So guys, to celebrate the launch of my DYSON AIRWRAP course, for 72 hours, I'm going to be doing it at an introductory offer of only £37, which is an absolute bargain, because once you're enrolled, that's it. You can access it as much as you want. You can also shop whatever products you need to within the course, and you also get access to that community where there will be ongoing support. This is the place where you're going to get all the information that you need to know about the DYSON AIRWRAP. Once the 70 hours has finished, it will go to its full retail price. The link is in the description to the website. You can go check it out. 72 hours, the countdown is on. Hit that enroll button, and I can't wait to see you over there.